Let us take the capacitors like this. See, we have capacitors in any circuit. The purpose of capacity is to store charges. So these are some of the capacitors, the ceramic ones, the polystyrene ones, and some bigger varieties also over here. So we are going to find out the capacitances using this multimeter. So on this multimeter, as you can see, this multimeter has a special place for measuring the capacities over here. So we can find it using this. So we will adjust the knob such that it is on the capacitor side. So we have adjusted the knob here somewhere around 40 nanofarad. And now we are going to put it on over here. We put it on. Various meters will measure in a different way. This particular meter will measure it like this. So let me show you how we will measure it. So we will put this capacitor, we will discharge it also actually. So we will just now put this capacitor in these two notches here. So we will put it here. Now look at the value, 10.60, okay, 10.60 nanofarad. So we will jot it down, 10.60 nanofarad. So you have capacitance 1 is equal to 10.6 nanofarad. Now we can convert this into microfarad also. So you can write this as 10.6 into 10 raised to 9 minus 9 farad. Now I have to make it 10 raised to minus 6. So I have to take out 10 raised to minus 3 over here. So 1, 2 and 3. So that makes it 0.0106 into 10 raised to minus 6 farad. So we can write this answer as 0.0106 microfarad. So we can write this as 0.0106 microfarad. Now let us take another capacitor. Before going to the another capacitor, see, we will adjust the knob to microfarad. See, what we have got by calculation is 0.0106 microfarad. So if you put it in the microfarad range, see, first we had put here 40 nanofarad. Now we are putting in 4 microfarad. You get the answer as 0.010, okay, which is same as this much microfarad. Now let us take the second one. So we will take this small one. See this, such a tiny one. So we will find out the capacitance of this. So we have put this capacitor here and we have put it in microfarad. Generally these are having very small capacitances, and it comes out to be 0.001 microfarad. So let us jot it down. So the second capacitor C2 is equal to 0.001 microfarad. Okay, so it's very small. This is coming out to be almost, you can convert it into picofarads also. So it will come out to be 1 into 10 raised to minus 3 into 10 raised to minus 6 farad. So that will come out to be 1 into 10 raised to minus 9 farad. So that is 1 nanofarad. Okay, that is 1000 picofarad. So most common ones are nanofarad, picofarad, right? But before finding the capacitors, capacitance, you should always discharge a capacitor. So suppose this is the capacitor here, you will just hold it across any resistor, any resistance you take or suitable value, and just hold it like this so that it gets discharged. So you are going to hold it like this against it so that it discharges through this resistor, and then only you will put it in this. Okay, so like that we have found out the capacitance of two capacitors. Likewise you can find for this also and these small ones also. Okay, so that's all for capacitance today. Bye.